Say, I'm Bailey, and today we're working on this Lexus.
It's Vivian.
All right. Say, I'm Bailey, and we are working on Vivian.
I'm Bailey, and we're working on Vivian.
That's right. Vivian is our Lexus IS300 Sportcross, and Mommy did what?
Get the blue trash down.
She hit a deer with it, didn't she? Don't put that in your mouth, silly pants.
I got it from Nani.
She hit a deer, didn't she?
Yeah.
I know, and that's not good, is it?
Nope.
So today we have to rip off a whole bunch of parts.
Yep.
Ain't that right?
And we need to get the fur up.
And we got to fix it.
Yep.
All right. That's right. So there's quite a few parts that we got to take off. I ripped the headlight pieces out just now, but the bumper cover is going to have to come off. This fender, airbox, of course the grill, and then we're going to have to get to the radiator and stuff like that. So we have to get it loaded up and get it hauled to town to a local body shop, and they're going to do some pulling on their frame rack on this here radiator support in order for us to get a new one. So this is going to be exciting. Okay, so we got the bumper cover off. Super easy. There's a bolt right there you got to take out. There's a bolt there you got to take out. And then come all the way across here, and you're going to do the same thing over there. So super easy taking these bumpers off. You got a little screw there, and in order to get the grill out, you get a little screw there. Obviously that one is messed up, so it was already broken off the bumper. So we're gonna go ahead and get this headlight, the rest of the headlight stuff out of the way, and then get ready to rip this fender off. Okay, so we got the fender off. Consisted of that there, one there, one inside the door there. And then you had to take the inner fender well out in order to get to that little guy right there. And you don't have to take it all the way off. It just comes right, you loosen it and then you can pull your fender off. There's also two up underneath that you got to take out. And on mine specifically, it had some fancy coating on it that was just, absolutely pleasant. So, Oh, okay. You want to tell them about the fender?
Yeah.
We got it off, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. And then there are two, there's a nut here, and then a bolt there, which I guess I could have taken that off, and we may have to anyway to get a new one, but yeah. So, as you can see, there's a little dent there, so they're going to pull this whole thing that way quite a bit. So,
I want to tell my name again.
oh, what's your name?
Bailey Geyer.
Very good, that's right. So next we're going to take an airbox off and the radiator, see what we can do. All right, so we got the radiator ripped out here, and then I just tied the two transmission lines together to where one, they're not leaking, and two, we can get it into the trailer and haul to town. So got some damage here on the upper radiator support, and as I said a while ago, it goes all the way up into the doghouse just a little bit. So we'll get that pulled out. We'll get a new, should just need this new left side upper radiator support and be okay. But I'm gonna do some part check and see what we can do. Radiator, super easy to come out. There was two bolts up on top that have your top radiator mount on there. And then it just comes out of those two holes right there, and it pulls right up and out. We unhooked the wires to the fans, in which you can see on that one it had rubbed a little bit on that there pulley whenever the accident had happened. So took off the bottom radiator hose and the upper radiator hose, and then as I said, I just tied those two lines together that are also involved in the radiator there. So that's for the tranny cooler. So there it is. It's not in very good shape, is it, B? No. So we'll get it to town there, and they'll get it straightened out at a friend of mine's body shop. And once we get it straightened out, we'll order some parts. And next thing you know, we're going to be putting them on there and doing a full repaint. A full repaint. That's exciting.
Yeah.
So, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Keep in tune here for the next video on our IS300 Sportcross. And anything you want to say, Brian?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. So thanks for watching, guys, and I guess we'll see you in the next one. Huh?
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.